how to buy VVAIFU in the Dasha token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before that, I'm going to buy this token. Make sure to check their X account. As you can see, they have this big community there, and keep following their updates about this token. Now so that's what you need to do. Now before that, just go and check the Discord. They include it on their X account. Now we'll buy this token, open it on CoinMarketCap, and now go to contract and copy this token address. As you can see, this token is under Solana network. Now we will use the Phantom wallet. Now click on and open your wallet. Now click on swap, and now make sure you have enough Sol on your wallet. Now after that, click here and paste the token address. As you can see, to be able to select. So this is our token. Just click wallet, and now after that, type here how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds. As you can see, this is how much you will receive. Now select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of this information and click on swap from here. Now they will redirect you to Jupiter page to be able to buy this token. If you face any issues, just go back to this page and switch the slip hash from here or custom it, and you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy the Dasha or VVAIFU token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.